In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Viewport in Framer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a custom viewport so you can design and preview your project at the exact size you need. Let's start inside Framer. First, open the project where you want to adjust the viewport. This can be an existing design you're already working on or a new project you've just created. Once the project is open, make sure you're in the main canvas view where you can see your frames and layout, along with the top bar and the right-hand panels. Now, look towards the top of the interface for the breakpoint controls. These are used to design responsive layouts for different screen sizes. Next to the existing breakpoint options, you'll see a small plus icon, usually labeled or positioned beside the word breakpoint. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This tells Framer you want to add a new breakpoint, which is how we'll set up a new viewport size. When you click the plus icon, a small menu will appear with some preset viewport sizes like common desktop, tablet, or mobile widths. Instead of choosing one of those presets, look for the option labeled Custom and click on that. Selecting Custom allows you to define a viewport that matches a specific screen size or a unique layout requirement, rather than relying on the built-in defaults. After clicking Custom, a dialog box or panel will open where you can customize your viewport. Here, you'll typically see fields for width, height, and sometimes a name for the breakpoint. Type in the exact width and height you'd like to use. For example, you might match a particular device, a design spec from your team, or a custom browser size you commonly test. It's a good idea to give this viewport a clear name, like small desktop or large tablet, so you can recognize it quickly later. Take a moment to double check your numbers before continuing. Once you're happy with the custom settings you've entered, look for the button labeled Add and click on it. Framer will now create this new custom breakpoint and set your canvas to that viewport size. You'll see appear alongside your other breakpoints, and you can switch between them to preview how your design responds. That's all you need to do to set a custom viewport in Framer and have more precise control over your responsive designs.